Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the roadmap for becoming O365 administrator. So let's start and we will start with learning the basics. So you can start by understanding the core components of Microsoft 365 such as Exchange Online. You can learn about how Exchange Online works, a SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, a Microsoft Teams, an application, and the Microsoft Entra ID. Formerly, which was an Azure Active Directory, now the name is changed and it is now called Microsoft Entra ID. So you can start by learning about the Microsoft plans. So there are some home plans and there are some business plans. Regarding the business plans, there is licensing for all the organization if it is a small organization, a medium size or a large. So you can learn about the Microsoft applications and how they works. For example, a Outlook application, the Microsoft Teams application, and Excel or a OneDrive, you can learn about all this first and you can gain knowledge regarding how admin works on a Microsoft admin panel. So for learning that, you can gain a practical experience. So Microsoft provides you a 1 month trial version if you register on it to set up a test environment and you can create a test tenants in Microsoft 365 to practice an administration task in a safe environment. So regarding the hands-on practice, you can implement and manage various Microsoft 365 services, such as creating user, deleting user, or modifying the user, modifying the security settings, creating the settings, compliance policies, creating a shared mailbox and sending a test email. You can create a whole M365 environment to test and learn regarding this, how a admin works on an M365 or O365 Exchange Online. So regarding the theoretical knowledge, you can gain some knowledge by reading on Microsoft Learn or watching the videos. For watching the videos and learning from it, or regarding you want to learn about the all Microsoft part, you can watch my videos. I will start uploading one by one for every O365 administration, MS Teams administration, SharePoint Online. So regarding the certification, there are various courses and certification provided by Microsoft. There is MS 203, MS 900, MS 700. So you can learn and gain certificates via clearing an exam. So you can register for an exam from a Microsoft website. First, you can learn about this from a Microsoft Learn, and then you can give a practice exam. If you score more than 80%, then you are eligible to uh, give a certified for the certification. So let's move ahead. And after this. So if you like this channel, you can subscribe for this channel or you can like this video or you can drop a comment. If you are dropping a comment regarding any doubt for O365 Admin Center or for Teams Administrator or for any Microsoft questions you have, I will reply on it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is my first video. So please support